Hey boys and girls, Miss Barrows here this morning to bring you a little bit of Letterland. Now, we've introduced you to Annie Apple, and she says, ah. We've introduced you to Bouncy Ben and his bouncy ears, Clever Cat and her beautiful whiskers, Dippy Duck flapping his wings, Eddie Elephant and his flappy ears, and Firefighter Fred shooting his foam. We're going to play a game this morning with our Letterlanders. We're going to see who you remember. So we're going to start right here. Who is this Letterlander? Ooh, there we are. That is Ellie Elephant. Who is this Letterlander? That's Firefighter Fred. Who is this Letterlander? It's Bouncy Ben. Who is this Letterlander? It's Dippy Duck. There's Clever Cat. And here's Annie Apple. We're going to play a game with all the Letterlanders that we keep adding. And it's called a quick flip. I'm going to quickly show you the Letterlander, and you're going to quickly tell me who it is. But today we're going to introduce you to two more Letterlanders. This is Golden Girl. Golden Girl says G in words. And to make her sound, it's like we're drinking our grape juice. G, 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 G for Golden Girl. Say that with me. G, 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 G. Golden Girl. You can hear her sound in the beginning of her name. Golden Girl. If you look at Golden Girl, her letter is holding her golden hair. And you're able to see that. Here are some picture cards for our letter G. This is a goat. Golden Girl has a very greedy goat. Greedy. That means he must want a lot of things. Here's Golden Girl's favorite snack of green grapes. I like green grapes too. And can you guess what color Golden Girl's color is favorite? That's green. Miss Elliott loves green too. The other Letterlander we're going to meet today is Harry Hatman. Harry Hatman is a tall Letterlander, and look at him. He has a green hat on his head. When we see Harry Hatman, he whispers his letter. It's a very short, quiet sound, just like you're blowing out candles on a birthday cake. Can you put up your hand and with me? You can barely feel the air on your hand. Harry Hatman whispers in Letterland. Here are some other picture cards that help us see pictures from Harry Hatman. This is Harry Hatman's hairy hat, and it is the color green. Here is Harry Hatman's house, and it looks like he has a hat on top of his house. And this is Harry Hatman's horse. Look at the hat on that horse's head. It's got a helicopter on top of it. All those cards make the sound just like Harry Hatman. Have fun in Letterland today. We'll see you soon.